90% of fat in the majority of the population is present as a layer beneath your skin. This is the fat present on your belly. The other 10% is present around your body organs like intestines and liver. Belly fat is not only inconveniencing when it comes to fitting your clothes, but it also has serious health issues. If you are familiar with exercise as the only way of how to lose belly fat, there are other ways that can help you. 1. Drink green tea. Consuming green tea has multiple health advantages. It has antioxidant epigallocatechin and caffeine, which boosts metabolism. Research has shown that a catechin helps in loss of belly fat. When combined with exercise, the effects of green tea and weight loss become stronger. 2. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has become famous when it comes to weight loss. Intermittent fasting consists of an eating pattern involving cycling between eating periods and fasting periods. A popular intermittent fasting method comprises 24-hour fasts twice or once a week. Another one includes fasting each day for 16 hours and having all your meals within 8 hours. Research has shown that participants lose 4-7% of their fat when they fast within 6 to 24 hours. 3. Probiotic supplement or probiotic foods. Probiotics are bacteria present in some supplements and foods. They have numerous health benefits, including enhanced immune function and better gut health. According to research, various bacteria types play a significant part in the regulation of weight. Hence, getting the proper balance of bacteria can assist you to lose belly fat. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Including apple cider vinegar in your diet will provide you with numerous health benefits. These include low blood pressure. Research has proved that acetic acid contained in apple cider vinegar can help you lose belly fat. A 3-month study showed that obese men, who consumed 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar each day lost 1.4 centimeters of fat from their waists. Vinegar is safe when diluted with water since it can erode your teeth's enamel when undiluted. 5. Avoid fruit juice. Fruit juice is rich in minerals and vitamins, but it has a lot of sugar just like soda. Drinking lots of fruit juice has a similar risk of gaining abdominal fat like any other sweetened beverage. An 8 ounce of apple juice has 24 grams of sugar, 50% of which is fructose. To assist in the reduction of belly fat, use unsweetened iced tea, water, or lime in replacing fruit juice. 6. Eat fatty fish. Fatty fish have numerous health benefits. They have high-quality protein and disease-preventing omega-3 fats. Studies reveal that omega-3 fats may also assist in visceral fat reduction. According to research, individuals with fatty liver disease have shown a significant reduction of fat in abdomen and liver. Aim to obtain 2-3 servings of fatty fish each week. Excellent choices include anchovies, mackerel, sardines, herring, and salmon. 7. Track exercise and food intake. Numerous things can assist you in losing belly fat and weight. However, it is essential to eat fewer calories than required for your body to maintain weight. Using an online food app or tracker, or managing a food diary can assist in monitoring your intake of calories. Additionally, food tracking tools assist you in seeing the consumption of micronutrients, fiber, carbs, and protein. Majority of them also let you record your physical activity and exercise. 8. Plenty of restful sleep. Sleep is essential in numerous health aspects, including weight loss. According to research, lack of enough sleep can result in weight gain. A condition referred to as sleep apnea has been connected to excess visceral fat. The condition causes intermittent stopping of breathing at night. You not only need to sleep 7 hours or more per night, but you also require quality sleep. Consult a doctor if you suspect that you are suffering from any sleep disorder. 9. Avoid sugar-sweetened beverages. Sugar-sweetened beverages are rich in liquid fructose that causes a gain in belly fat. Research has shown that sugary drinks produce increased fats in the liver. Sugary beverages have shown more adverse effects than sweet foods. Because your brain fails to process liquid calories similar to solid ones, there is a high likelihood that you will consume more liquid calories and store them as belly fat. To lose belly fat, steer away from sugary beverages like sweet tea, punch, and soda together with sugary alcoholic mixtures. 10. Lifting weights. Lifting weights is essential for gaining and preserving muscle mass. Research on individuals with fatty liver diseases and type 2 diabetes has revealed that resistance training assists in the loss of belly fat. One study carried out on obese teenagers resulted in the highest decrease in visceral fat after a combination of weightlifting and cardio. If you decide to go for weightlifting, it is best to seek advice from a personal trainer.